is all for me. Let me live, let me be. For a little while, let my eyes see everything and nothing in their time. I do not mind. Who'd have guessed I'd learned to let the walls around me burn, light up the hillside. My words, I ate them for so long and nothing changed. It was just the same. And I don't know if you see me here, but I can tell you your face is clear. I will see you forever, forever. I will see you forever, forever. Call me close once again. Call me teacher, call me friend. Just like the first time, call my name. It echoes in the walls around this room. It's all you. And I don't know if you hear me there, but when it's darkest and no one cares, I will hear you forever, forever. I will hear you forever, forever. And I wanted you to be everything to me, and now I've got to learn to carry on. And I know I cannot hide this emptiness inside, but nothing is the same since you're gone. Send me letters from above, send me strength, send me love, such sweet love. Sing me songs that